Hi, this is Jessica, the Masked Foodie, and today I'm unmasking the way of making roasted bone marrow. Yum! It's so easy to make this divine butter of the gods at home that's perfect to eat on toasted French bread. Start by getting bone marrow, and you can get them from the butcher or an Asian grocery store with a good meat department. Here, I'm soaking approximately 3 pounds of some laterally cut and stumpy pieces of the bone. The stumpy pieces actually yield a lot of marrow. Submerge the pieces in water with some salt to extract the blood and soften the marrows naturally for roasting. Soak the bones for at least 30 minutes and then drain and pat them dry before placing the bones marrow side up on a lined sheet pan. Generously season the bones with just salt and pepper. That's it. Pop the sheet pan in a 375-degree oven for 30 minutes. While the marrow is roasting, slice up some French bread that we're going to eat with the bone marrow. Spread some room temp butter on top of the pieces and arrange them in another sheet pan so that we can pop it in the oven to toast. This is a 20-minute mark for the bone, and you can see some of the natural bone butter that's oozing. Place the sheet pan with the bread on the top rack for 10 minutes, and it'll finish at the same time as the roasted bone marrow. 30 minutes are up. Take it out of the oven and ooh, look at that sizzling goodness glistening with the butter of the gods. Now there's only one thing to do. Taste time. I like enhancing my marrow with a side of tarty salsa verde and a shot of Irish whiskey, like Jameson. Use a knife or a small spoon to scoop out some of the marrow and spread it on the toasted French bread. I hope you do a better job spreading it than I am. And then top it with some salsa verde. And there you have it, roasted bone marrow at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see me unmasking other delicious recipes on Masked Foodie.